The family of the late former Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation ZBC cameraman, Johnny Savanu, has confirmed that the veteran broadcaster died after suffering a heart-related condition. Details emerge on death of former veteran ZBC cameraman. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Born in 1952, Savanu passed away on Tuesday in Chinoy, bringing to an end a long and distinguished career in broadcasting. He was part of an era at ZBC when newsroom operations were marked by strong professional ethics, rigorous training, and a deep sense of public service. Cameramen and journalists of that generation were widely respected for their technical skill, discipline, and commitment to telling the nation's story with accuracy and dignity, standards that many former practitioners contrast with the challenges facing the broadcaster today. Colleagues recall Savanu as a quiet but dependable professional whose work behind the camera helped document key national moments, from official state events to everyday stories of Zimbabwean life. At a time when ZBC commanded the broad public trust and produced content that reflected professional pride, this generation of broadcasters saw their role as custodians of the public record rather than mere functionaries. In a statement shared on social media, the family said Savanu's body will be collected this afternoon from Nyaradzo Funeral Parlor. Burial will take place tomorrow afternoon at Chemagamba Cemetery in Chinoy, near Chinoy Provincial Hospital. Mourners are gathered at 11104 Golf Course, Chinoy. The family contact person is Mary Savanu. Savanu's death is rekindled reflection on the professionalism that once defined Zimbabwe's national broadcaster and the generation of media workers who served with the dedication under far more demanding production conditions. Our heartfelt condolences go out to his family, friends, and former colleagues during this difficult time. Doma developments Anobuda Mamsoro Aiwa the death of former veteran ZBC camera. Comment section videos of Muro Emu to leave us to page it for each. So subscribe or like, so turn on the bell icon.